Welcome to the top best. The best toilet handle is probably one of the most overlooked components in your bathroom, but a broken or outdated one can be a real headache. Today, we're diving deep into the world of toilet handle replacements, showing you how to choose the right one, and guiding you through the installation process. Whether your handle is rusty, loose, or simply not your style, we'll help you find the perfect replacement to get your toilet flushing smoothly and looking great. Number 5. Kohler 85114 CP Trip Lever Kit. This is a genuine part from Kohler. It's designed to be a direct replacement for your toilet's trip lever, ensuring a perfect fit and function. This kit is specifically designed to replace the trip lever on various Kohler toilets. It's a simple solution to restore the flushing functionality of your toilet. The kit is engineered to promote the longevity of your toilet. By replacing the trip lever, you can ensure that your toilet continues to operate efficiently for years to come. It's made with premium materials. This ensures enhanced durability and resistance to wear and tear, providing reliable performance. The kit features a polished chrome finish. It adds a touch of elegance to your bathroom while ensuring long-lasting shine. What we like. This is a genuine Kohler part, ensuring a perfect fit and reliable performance. It's engineered for longevity, so you won't have to worry about frequent replacements. If you're looking for a direct, high-quality replacement, this is the one for you. What people say. The polished chrome finish sparkles under the bathroom lights, casting rainbows on the tiles. Made with premium materials, it's sturdier than my New Year's resolutions. Easy to install. Number 4. Kohler 85114 CP Toilet Flush Handle Replacement. Introducing a toilet handle designed for everyone, from kids to the elderly. This replacement is easy to use and requires minimal pressure. It's a simple upgrade for a more comfortable experience. This side-mount toilet lever is compatible with most side-mount toilet tanks. It's a direct replacement for Kohler models and works with various other toilets if the style matches. This ensures a hassle-free installation. Tired of leaks and sticky handles? This decorative lever is the solution. It's designed to fix those common issues, ensuring a smooth and reliable flush every time. The spring-loaded design returns it to the neutral position. Installation is a breeze with this side-mount toilet lever. It's designed for easy, do-it-yourself installation with 3 holes for different needs. Remember to note the reversed thread during installation. Made with premium zinc alloy and stainless steel, this handle is built for durability. The corrosion-resistant finish and stainless steel lever guarantee long-lasting performance. You can count on it for years to come. What we like. This handle is designed for easy, do-it-yourself installation, saving you time and effort. The side-mount design makes it compatible with a wide range of toilets. If you are looking for a simple upgrade, this is a great choice. What people say. Lever is an exact replacement for the Kohler lever. It installs easily and works great. Tried several that were supposed to be replacements for all, and this is the one that fit and works the best. Exact replacement for Kohler one-piece toilet. Only had to slightly bend the arm to clear the side of the tank. Number 3. Kohler 1031599 CP Trip Lever Kit. This is a genuine part from Kohler. It's designed to meet the high standards of quality and performance. You can trust it to work seamlessly with your existing setup. Introducing the Trip Lever Kit. It's a crucial component for your toilet's flushing mechanism. This kit ensures smooth and reliable operation. This kit is engineered for long-lasting performance. It's built to withstand daily use and maintain its functionality over time. This ensures you won't have to replace it frequently. The kit is made with premium materials. This enhances its durability and resistance to wear and tear. It's built to last, providing you with reliable performance. The polished chrome finish adds a touch of elegance. It complements your bathroom fixtures and provides a sleek, modern look. It's both stylish and functional. What we like. This is another genuine Kohler part, guaranteeing quality and compatibility. It's built to last, thanks to its premium materials. If you prioritize reliability and a perfect fit, consider this one. What people say. The genuine Kohler installed perfectly and in a jiff. The inside arm was the correct length, so I was able to reach the chain without any issue. This one works perfectly. Number 2. Kohler 87115 CP Left Trip Lever Kit. This is a genuine replacement part from Kohler. It's designed to ensure your toilet functions smoothly and efficiently. You can trust its quality and reliability. This kit is specifically designed for left-side trip lever replacements in Kohler toilets. It's the perfect solution if your current lever is damaged or worn out. This will restore your toilet's functionality. The kit is engineered to promote the longevity of your toilet. It's built to withstand regular use and maintain its performance over time. This ensures you get the most out of your investment. Made with premium materials, this kit offers enhanced durability. It's built to resist wear and tear, providing a long-lasting solution. This ensures it can handle the demands of daily use. This kit is designed for easy installation, making the replacement process simple. It includes all the necessary components for a quick and hassle-free setup. You'll have your toilet working like new in no time. What we like. This is a genuine Kohler part, specifically designed for left-side mount toilets. It's made from durable materials, ensuring it can withstand regular use. If you have a left-side mount toilet and need a reliable replacement, this is a solid option. What people say. It fit perfectly and was super easy to install. Its sturdy metal installation was smooth and it looks and feels great. This strip lever was easy to install and works better than the plastic one, which would bend and leave the toilet running from time to time as the flapper wouldn't always close correctly. Number 1. Qualihome Kohler Toilet Flush Handle Replacement. Make a big difference with small touches. This toilet tank lever from Qualihome adds a sleek, modern accent to any bathroom. It's a simple upgrade that elevates the entire space. This decorative lever is designed specifically for Kohler side mount toilet flushing systems. It's built with durable materials and is incredibly easy to assemble. You'll have it installed in no time. The chrome toilet handle is perfect for everyone, including kids and the elderly, as it doesn't require much pressure. It's a fancy and functional flusher, suitable for both home and commercial use. Qualihome delivers professional finishes that ensure long-lasting durability. Enjoy a risk-free purchase with Qualihome for all your DIY home improvement and repair needs. We stand behind our products. The toilet handle is easy to install. Just remember that the flush levers have a reverse thread during installation. It's a quick and straightforward process. What we like. This handle adds a sleek, modern touch to your bathroom. It's designed for easy installation, so you can quickly upgrade your toilet. If you like a stylish and functional upgrade, this handle is perfect for you. What people say. Item was delivered promptly, easy to install. Super easy installation, looks like the factory part, but this design adds a nice lift chain notch that makes lift chain adjustments easy and quick. This genuine Kohler part doesn't get stuck. It just works. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.